I've got a CHUBB lock viced up here. Here's the keyway. It's got a hardened shackle. Here's the key bidding to it. 5-pin lock. There you go. Works perfectly. I'll be using a Sparrow's thin tension wrench on my Southford 7B max pick. So we're looking for a fault set. There we go. I got a little fault set. I'm getting counter rotation now. There, I've set a pin there. There. Now I'm gonna there we go, and we're on an open win-win. I must say these CHUBB locks for £5 are really good with security pins inside. Not a bad little lock. I'll be passing it on to someone anyway on a trade or something. Anyway, I want to say thank you to Victor VDE. I want to say thank you to the Ashman, and thank you for Mr. Anybody. They all know what the thank you is for. Anyway, see you next time.